Hello mate, I'm Martin, I work for Lewis Access. How you doing? Technically, when I leave my yard Monday morning, I'm in control. From that point on, the next 25 drops is my responsibility. How I make that happen is the best of how I can do for the company. I phone customers, I inform customers, I'm friendly with customers, but I'll let them all know within the hour whether I'm going to be there or whether I'm going to be there the next day for them. But generally, I'm the boss on the road. Yeah, it's not too shabby out there on the main roads, it's just the other drivers you've got to worry about because they can't drive. Can they really? But you enjoy what you do what you do. But not been a bad day, I've only done 5 drops today. Nice and easy for me, to be honest with you. Not even 100 miles in this one. I'm going to go find myself a McDonald's or something to eat round the corner, find myself a lay-by, speak to my customer for tomorrow morning, and get ready for the next onslaught.
Hi, I'm Rob. I've been with Towers and Sanders now since November last year. And I'm one of the lorry drivers, goes out and does all the deliveries all around the country. My very first run, jumped in the back of the truck, caught my head on a set of stabilisers and just split it clean open. So ever since then it's kind of just stuck. Rob goes out, he comes back with cut. The banter with the guys is excellent. It's not only here when we're loading, it's when we're on the road. You know, we talk quite regularly between the factory and the drivers. It's a good crew. Got an empty truck. I should be going probably in about half an hour. Just complete my last of my paperwork, sort the app out, set that for ready to go, and then I'll be out of here.
Hi, it's Bo here calling from Lewis Access. You got a towel from us yesterday? And obviously if there are any issues, give us a call because we'll be happy to help you. Right then, I wish you a good day and all the best in the future. Bye bye now.